morning.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, sorry about the delay getting started today. We are running off of internet here at the casino, and sometimes it does not have the upload speed that we want. So I apologize for our tardiness. We are here in Las Vegas for SHOT Show 2026. Today, we're going to go over the orders list. I've had an opportunity to go over it. Let me give you a big summary of what's on the orders list today, everyone. There it is. Today's special is a big fat nothing burger. I will go through some of the cases here in a little bit with you. Today, we were going over the conference today for January 16th. Anything that has going to get relisted could be relisted as early as January 23rd. Could be on a conference, though, on February 20th. So it's either going to happen next week or it's not going to happen for about a month. So that's what's going on. We're going to go over some of the cases here real quick with you. The three cases that we were really paying attention on. And something has to happen with all of these cases. Of course, Duncan v. Bonta, the magazine ban out of California. Just want to let you all know that that case is not on the orders list today, which means that it is obviously going to get relisted again. We're beginning to see this kind of Snope Ocean State thing develop here, where we're going to get these cases listed over and over and over. The other magazine ban case, of course, that we were very interested in, especially in Washington State, is the matter of Gators Customs Guns. That was also on for conference on Friday. Neither of those two cases had been accepted, nor have either of those two cases been rejected. So these things are going to carry over to another conference. Who knows when? We don't know what's going to happen. Then remember, we had an assault weapon ban case also on the calendar on conference for Friday. That was Viramontes v. Cook County. That also has been relisted or will be relisted. We just don't have dates on it. So once again, I appreciate all of you, all 117 of you are tuning in. Again, sorry for the tardiness, but we got ourselves a big, fat, nothing burger on the conference. Now, I do want you to know that in just a few minutes, oral arguments are going to commence back in Washington, D.C. at the United States Supreme Court in the matter of Wolford v. Lopez. Now, listen, if you want to listen to the oral arguments yourself live, you may do so. Or I'll tell you what, if you want to get some good armchair quarterbacking, our good friend Costas Moros from over at the Second Amendment Foundation on X is going to be let's see, I think I even got his, yeah, check it out right there. Moros Costas right there for you. Okay, so if you guys aren't following him, you probably should, because like I say, he's going to be doing literally a play-by-play update from the oral arguments. He's not actually in D.C. He's actually down here in Vegas with me. We're going to be doing a video later this afternoon. Once he's free, we're going to get together and go ahead and get a video done, kind of do a highlight, a recap of the oral arguments. If you guys are down in Las Vegas for SHOT Show, love to see you come by and say hi later today. We're going to be in and out of our booth today, and then tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're going to be around all day. It's at the Palmetto State Armory, Right to Bear booth. That's on Venetian Level 2, and it's booths 10570 and 10371. Once again, as per usual, one of these days I will actually not do a Wgl Am, and when an orders list comes out, of course, that will be the one where there's all sorts of action, and I'll be scrambling around all morning trying to get you guys filled in. Big kudos to the people who put on the Gundies last night. We had a really good time over at the Venetian Theater. Looking forward to a fun week here in Vegas. I will be back with Costas Moros probably late this evening or tomorrow morning. We'll have that video out so you guys can get a recap of that. Oral arguments literally starts in about 5 minutes, so I'm going to let you guys go. Kudos to all of you who tuned in, all 144. Great way to start your work week. And like I say, if you're down here in Vegas, come on by and say hi to us. All right, we'll be back soon. You guys all stay safe.